Gromanem,
Thank you.
kuhle mkhulu wami.
Alright, man. Local is lekker is local. What you say, man?
Dishavu mkhulu wami, dishavu.
Yeah.
Mkhulu wami.
Yeah.
This time anizanga nje as local connect rapper. Dize with a beautiful show that has been doing so great. Tata Mchana podcast. Yeah, man, siyapusha phaka makhasi onxibelelwano. Khumani yami ndithi manisondele brand yabona ba you're busy with something.
Yeah, man.
Maniqala apha mkhulu ngubani qala for abantu abangakwaziyo.
Okay, igama lam
Yes.
lokuzalwa. I am named Uyanga Sikelelo Maswale.
Maswale.
Yeah.
That is Sotho.
Yeah, it's Tswana.
Tswana.
Yeah, there is no Shubi surname.
Okay.
Yeah. There is no Shubi surname. Shubi is like a nation, you know.
Yeah.
That is built with the nation. But Kiasiko Lab, Maskubege local.
So isituko.
Oh, isituko sam ndinguTsipi, oRapulana, oTholo, oNamanasile. Yeah, ngumhlalipola ke. We are descendant of the great Cornelius Sijo Singwe. That's who we are, from a Mount Fletcher, who descends straight from the lands of Buputatswana down the lines to a Mahikeng, Abotladi. You get more of Abarolong there. Then you come down to a Mount Fletcher. How we learn to Mtata is a story for another day. What's about you, local?
Yeah, come on, you got game.
Yeah, what you say now?
Okay. I'm cool.
Local.
So ndiyabona busy. Ndizokuambusha.
Yeah, man, ndifikela ndisespanina.
Yeah, what's going on here?
Okay, what we are doing here, local man, it's nothing more than anything. First, big up my dog for what you're doing with your channel. We're seeing the numbers, we're seeing the views. It's gonna grow to something one day. Just be ready to grow it without fear. Yeah. But basically, we are developing a menu that is gonna be strictly sold. We Sunday, first session Sunday. As you know, there's an event that I'm part of. The brand yours truly, which is a luxury event brand, which we do brand curation, activations, brand customization. We do mixology services. We do wedding planning. We do wedding curations. We do wedding designs, event designs. A lot of things we do, brother man.
Yes,
but
bro.
over and above, we also just wanna give to Mtata abantu abakoyo that would wanna eat from our talent. We give back to them.
Yeah.
So currently now, gents, shout out to the guys since I first Sunday. Since last year we had a relationship. Then to this very year, Sunday relationship. Now Benza event yabo 7th. September. They're in partnership with Ron's Cafe. Venue is a hyper. So Mlungu, that's basically that. So what I'm doing now, I am just giving Abandu Abalapa an experience of exactly what could be potentially the look and feel, the taste, the menu and the drinks on the actual event.
Alright.
So apha ngoku senenze champagne inspired cocktails. So I don't know Kem wako angamuva azoyibona just put it there nalena.
Okay.
These are all champagne.
Yeah, beauty shit. I'm here, man.
Yeah.
I'm here, man. Look at this. Yeah. Alright.
So that's basically that we were doing. That one is a grenadine inspired champagne.
Let's build up.
Yeah.
I want them on the shot.
You want them on the short?
Yes. JJ. Hanyane. Yeah, please, man. Straps there. Okay.
So basically that's it, my talk. I don't know if there's anything.
So explain
Okay, we have what looks like a sunrise for so many people that knows cocktails.
Okay.
But this is basically my own version of a mimosa. I'll just flip the script because obviously Mtata Sani we change things around.
Yeah.
Nalapa and the flip script, man. This is basically pure champagne with raspberry flavor. This is a bowl full of champagne. Yeah, boy.
Okay.
Yeah, boy. Imagine having much champagne. but having champagne in a glass in a way that's bubbly and live, man. Just dial champagne up to say shit, but I have nothing to mash.
It is.
Yeah, what you say, look.
Okay, good man. For abantu abakufunayo ke ngoMkhulu wami bakufumana njani? Phone call,
Okay,
email.
one, you get me on like my WhatsApp. I'm gonna leave the number. You can put it on the thing.
Please say it for the camera.
Okay, for the cam it's 0 6 0 6 3 1 9 8 4 6. We repeat it again. It's 0 6 0 6 3 1
Yasayina
Nine.
yasayina.
8 4 6. That's it.
Afunenifundise nami yabo.
Yeah, obviously we have audience. I'm a conscious person about the community. I have audience that really
no
can't
shade to that,
communicate
no
with
shade.
me verbally,
No
but
shade.
they communicate now with like signs. You know, they show me love. You know, I love them back. You know,
Saqhuba,
as much as they
saqhuba,
can understand.
saqhuba,
I'll come back
saqhuba.
to you. What you say?
Okay, that's your phone number.
Yeah.
So-
But we
so,
come there to Ilenduza media
WhatsApp.
handles now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where you get
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp,
I mean,
yeah.
so Facebook.
Facebook is Uyanga Maswale. And then on Instagram is the Sun. Like there's a prefix.
Okay.
And then Usan is Ilanga. SUN
Okay.
underscore Langa. LAGN.
So that's where people like find you and the menus and everything.
Yeah,
Yes,
the bigger entity is Charlie underscore Pamen.
Yeah.
That's where
Funale,
Charlie Pamen.
Funale.
Charlie. It's Charlie as in Charlie underscore Pamen.
Barman.
Yeah. Barman.
But available for Monday to Sunday.
Not really. I
Depending on
can
the-
give you
the
depending on what
booking,
depending on the booking, we're open for that. But really, I wouldn't really do Mondays. Mondays are for content. Mondays are for my thing, unless I'm traveling, and then Sundays are for spirituality, unless we have an event. But any day is available, my dog. Anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, we have a footprint. You can check our pages. We have a footprint, national and internationally.
Right. Good man. Diyabulela kakhulu. I hope abantu ababukeleyo they book you. This is something new for me. Mina nikhulele kasi ke bafethu yabo. Sibamba iblack thina pha ingudu sibamba intoni yabona bra so man ndifuna ufaka abantu enisuka nabo ekasi yabo ba ekusebafethu zikhona eziyafumaneka ezwe yabo so that yabo sibe relevant sibe sezindweni. Mama yami ngiyacela man uThixo akubusise.
Okay.
Good luck man on whatever you oyenzayo ingase ibe blessed ithatshwe yabo with the holy
Yeah, no.
yabo presence. Khona yami
That has enough depth for the day.
bro, you
Way
know
off
me
you,
I be
so-
deving everyone.
He makes music. He was interviewing me. He makes music and he does podcasting. Shout out to him. Shout out to the gang. Shout out to all those niggas. Shout out to Mtata. Shout out to everything Mtata. Let's live it up.
Okay, for everyone that's watching, please make sure you subscribe Khotmani.
Yeah.
Make sure you follow Wisha, like,
Yeah.
comment on the video,
Yeah.
follow us. If you wanna see more of Upamen, please man, follow us. We
Yeah.
love y'all. Sure.